So you might be in this weird position where for some reason your specific iPhone, the 5G just isn't working. Now what does this mean? Well, basically the 5G on your specific device isn't actually on or it's not working or whatever the case is. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing you want to do is make sure you even have 5G enabled on your iPhone, or you even have an iPhone that supports 5G. Not every single iPhone supports it. So to test this, what you want to do is you want to hop inside of your iPhone settings like this. You want to click cellular. Now this iPhone doesn't even have a cell plan, but on my personal iPhone, I can go and click on my cell plan right here. Now what you want to do here is you want to click cellular data options, which is right up here. So you want to tap there. And what you want to do is under data mode or voice and data, you want to make sure you have this 5G on or 5G auto on. If you have 5G auto on, it'll just determine whether you're on 5G or not, or it'll go down to LTE. That's one thing you can do. But also under data mode, you probably just want to go ahead and make sure allow more data on 5G is on. If those things are enabled, then you're pretty much good to go from that perspective. Now, for some reason you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to do is just make sure you're in an area that even supports 5G. Probably for a majority of people, if you even enable 5G, you're probably not even going to be in an area that supports 5G natively. So what you're going to have to do, again, is just wait it out until you get into an area that has 5G coverage. And if you're supposed to have 5G coverage and you're not on 5G and you enable those specific toggles, you may want to go ahead and just restart your phone. So go ahead and turn off your phone, turn it back on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up doing it, you can also make your way back into your settings application just like this. You can then go and click on General, go and Software Update, and all you're going to want to try doing is update your phone. For a lot of people, if you just update your device, that could end up fixing the problem, and that's probably all you're going to have to do here. If that still doesn't work, you may just want to double check your 5G coverage and make sure your area does support 5G. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.